children, how are you? Hope you all are okay. And of course, you are waiting for our today's session. But today we are not going to do any study. Okay, no reading, no writing part. But today we will learn some quick and delicious recipe. So, I introduce someone. Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Laksh.
See, he's my son Laksh. Okay, and today we'll make some quick and delicious thing. Okay, just wait. So let's start. Here, before make this video, we have prepared some things. So let's start.
Like some breads and
See, what is that? Green sauce, green chutney, then red chutney, butter, coriander leaves, cheese, and cornflakes, tomato, and carrot, onion, and what is that? Hershey's and bread. So here I have taken brown bread. If you want, you can take white bread. Okay, so let's start. So first we spread green chutney or green sauce, whatever you have at home. Okay, we are going to make tricolor sandwich. It's very easy and taking less time. Okay. So Laksh, what you are doing? You are spreading green chutney.
yes,
Okay. Take some more chutney.
okay,
Spread properly. Okay. Yes. Now it's done.
yes,
Then take red sauce.
okay,
Red. Okay. And spread in this one. Yes. You have spread nicely. Okay. Now take some butter and spread on the bread. Okay. Spread it properly. Yes. You're enjoying now?
yes, I am enjoying.
So Laksh, what you have to do now? Okay, just no. Keep like this.
Okay.
Yes. Then put red one. Yes. Then cover with simple bread. Okay. Yes. Cut it properly. Yes. Cut it properly. Done. Keep aside cutter. Yes. Show me what you made. Show me. Yes, it's tricolor sandwich. Oh, wow. What is that? Tricolor sandwich. You made now? Yes, very nice. Very nice. If you want, you can take white bread. I have taken brown bread. Okay. See, delicious now? Now, we are going to make another sandwich, cheese sandwich. Okay. For that, you need some cheese. Okay. Melted cheese are there. Yes. Okay. Take some coriander leaves. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now take tomato and carrot. Okay. What is that? Tomato and carrot. Very fine chopped. Yes. Put little bit more. Yes. Done. Now put some onion. Yes. Done. Now mix it well. Yes. Mix it properly. Now spread on the bread. Okay. Yes. Spread nicely. Very good. Looks like you are enjoying a lot. Yes?
Yes, I am enjoying a lot.
Yes. Okay, done now?
Yes.
Yes, cover with bread. Okay. Take this cutter
Yes,
and cut nicely. Wait. Yes. Cut. Done? Okay,
Yes.
show me what you made. Show me. Wow, cheese sandwich. So now we are going to make cornflakes chaat. Okay. For that, take some tomato and carrot. Okay. Take in this bowl. Yes. Done. Now take some onion. Yes. Take 1 spoon more. 1 spoon onion. Some coriander leaves.
Okay.
Yes. Take 1 more spoon. Some black pepper. Yes, done. Then take red chili powder. Yes. Done. Done. Then take chaat masala. Yes. And we have also made some salt. Okay. Now add some cornflakes. Yes. Yes. Very good. And lemon juice.
Okay.
Wow, very nice. Okay, mix it well. Mix properly. Yes, very good. So show me what you made. Wow, what is that? Cornflakes chaat.
Chat.
Very nice. Now we are going to make some other dish. Okay, biscuits topping. So let's start. Okay, Laksh, take some biscuits.
Okay.
Yes.
I have
Okay,
made
any biscuit you can take. Okay, any biscuit you can take, whatever you have at home. Okay, now we have some mixed chopped fine fruits. Okay, see, any fruits you can take. Okay, just take 1 spoon. Yes. Yeah, very nice. Okay, just little bit spread this. Done. Yes. What is that? Fruits. Okay, fruit is healthy for us now. Yes. Very nice. Very good. Now for dressing we can take anything. If you have chocolate at home or choco chips, right now we have choco rice. Okay, so we are putting that. Yes, choco rice. You can put chocolate or grated biscuit, anything, whatever you have at home. Now Hershey sauce. It's totally optional. Okay. Yes. Yes. Done. So see what you made. Biscuit toppings. Yes.
yes.
So show me, Laksh, what you have learned today and what you have made today.
I have made some tiranga.
Yes, Tiranga sandwich. It's tricolor sandwich. Yeah. What is that? Tricolor sandwich. And next,
This
cheese.
is cheese sandwich.
Yes, cheese sandwich. Yes. And cornflakes chaat.
Chaat.
Yes, very nice. Cornflakes chaats. It's very healthy, no? And biscuits topping. Wow. So you have seen now what we made today and very quickly. Okay. You also try at your home. Okay, you have to make these things and please send your pics, upload your pics or video. Okay, see you. Bye. Okay,
Bye.
say bye.
Bye.